phys ed. This activity is a rolling one, and it is called Rolling with Colors. So here's what you're going to need. You're going to need some kind of ball you want the students to roll. Color for this doesn't matter. You're also going to need to have some rainbow sets of cones. And we take those and we've got those spread out. The other thing that you'll need is my shape cards that are on my website under the free phys ed files. And if you look behind me, I have those inside the bucket. So I've got 3 colors on this side, and I got 3 colors on this side of the gym, on the sideline. We put them in the matching colored bucket just so that it's easier for it to clean up when we're setting up for the next class. On this one, you're going to have the kids we're going from the baselines. You can easily do it from the sidelines if you need to, but we're going to the baseline to give some distance for the kids to roll. The students can play by themselves or with a partner. Now, if I'm having a partner, my partner is going to be up against the wall so that they're out of the way. When it is my turn to roll, I'm obviously going to use that good technique, and I'm going to roll that ball on the ground. I'm going to try to get my ball to touch at least one cone. Boom! There it goes. So my ball touched the yellow cone. I go get my ball, and now I'm going to go to the yellow bucket and get one card from the yellow bucket. And it's a yellow shape because it's the next color I touch. So then I'm going to go back, and if I have a partner, I would give the ball to my partner. I would wait against the wall for my turn. If I don't have a partner, I would just hold on the cards, and I would keep rolling. We also told the students if it touches more than one cone, they have to pick which color they want to do. Let's say it touched the green, red, and yellow. I would have to choose one of those colors and get a card to bring back. Now, if you don't want to print off these shape cards, you can use anything for your point system. You can use a different thing for each color, like yellow could be beanbags, orange could be playing cards, blue could be poker chips. Whatever you have on hand that you want to change that out to, you can do that. If you have color sets of bowling pins, you can do the same thing with bowling pins. Instead of the cones, you can have them knock down a bowling pin in order to get a shaped card. I hope your students will enjoy this one. I'm Coach Pirillo reminding you to keep on moving.